We'll guide you through how to lock folder in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To lock a folder in Google Drive, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Click on the search bar located at the top of the browser window, type Google Drive, and press Enter on your keyboard to search. From the search results, choose the first official link for Google Drive to open the website. If you do not already have a Google profile, click Create Account to begin setting one up. Select For My Personal Use from the account type options provided. Enter your first name and last name in the required name fields. Then click Next to move to the basic information page. Enter your birth date, including the specific day, month, and year. Choose your gender from the drop-down selection menu, and then click Next to proceed to the Gmail address setup section. Type a unique username for your new Gmail account, and make sure it is available. Click Next to continue to the security and password setup. Carefully enter and confirm your password in the provided boxes, and ensure you use a strong password that is unique and difficult to guess. Next, scan the QR code using your mobile phone to verify your identity. You may also enter a recovery email address to keep your account safe and accessible. If you prefer not to add a recovery email at this moment, click Skip to continue. Review your account information on the summary screen and click Next. Scroll down the Privacy and Terms page, read the information, and click the I agree button. Your Google Drive account is now officially ready for active use. After you make the folder and upload your files, locate your specific folder in Drive. Click the three dots next to the folder name to open the Options menu. Select the Share option, and then click Share again. When the sharing window appears, click on the Current Access setting link. From the drop-down menu, choose the Restricted option. Wait for the access permissions to update completely. If needed, click Copy Link to save the URL for your records. Finally, click the Done button to save the settings. Your folder is now locked, and access requires your permission.